So basically, guys, Blue Ash, she messed up on me. She broke down heading to Pigeon Forge, and I'll show you. I was heading down to Pigeon Forge yesterday evening, guys, to take her, and I got towards the racetrack, man, and she started making all kinds of crazy noises, and so I had to turn back around. And like I said, I knew I had to change brake pads. I put this 96 Caprice rear end in her, and she had about 30% brake pads on the other side, one side on the passenger side, and a little less on the driver's side. So, I'm sorry, on the driver's side was less. So I changed the ones on the driver's side, and I had the brake pads. I was just being lazy. So I said I'll change the other side when I get back. You know, I've driven brake pads when it was low, but then it started making all kinds of noises. Make a long story short, I turned around. I finally got her in the driveway. As soon as I got in the driveway, well, you know, she started like jerking. I tried to back her up jerking. Couldn't find out after taking the tires and stuff off, my caliper, the bottom, actually the top caliper bolt came out. I had anti-seize and everything on it. And so it was just like flapping, and every time I tried to move it, it was locking the tire out. I thought I had locked up my rear end. I was about to cry. So I was out there till about 10 o'clock last night working on her, making sure that it wasn't my rear end. So now I'm getting it taken over to my buddy's Jason's house, his garage, and we're gonna make sure everything is straight with Blue Ash. I tell you, look at her. I feel so bad. I feel so sorry for her. I feel sorry for her, man. So we're gonna head over, and she's getting wet all in this rain, man. It was 6:30, 7 o'clock now in the morning. Oh, man. So anyway, guys, this is where we're at with Blue Ash, man. And hopefully she's going to be okay. So I'm going to go up in here, guys, and see where... Oh, he's already here. Good. We're going to park Blue Ash, man, and we're going to get up in this bay, get her up out of this rain real quick, guys. Get back. I'll let you guys know what's going on in a minute. Alright, yeah, man, so we got it here, guys. They're gonna take care of me though, man. They're gonna take care of old Blue Ash. Yep, she's all wet and raining, man. Y'all know I feel like washing her off. She's in here. She's in good hands. Me this morning. I tell you, it was a trip though. I can't believe I made a big bonehead mistake. Come to find out, where my bracket bolts up to my calipers, I actually put anti-seize on my caliper bolt. So basically the threads, I guess, made it loose. And on top of that, let me see if I can fix you guys a little bit better. All right, that's a little better. So then on top of that, my bolts, one of them, the top ones backed out, okay? Therefore, my tire, I guess, was wobbling because they made those weights that's on your tire. I didn't even realize that like 4 weights came off. So I guess it got my rear tire out of balance. That's what started it. It got my rear tire out of balance. And so over time, it just shook that bolt loose because I put anti-seize and I didn't put Loctite. Oh man, I tell you, it could have been bad. I actually thought that my rear end was locking up, but what it was, that caliper had flipped back down, and when I went in put in reverse, it was locking up the tire. It could have been bad, guys. It could have been bad. So, I just want to say thanks, guys, for hanging out with me this morning. And we're going to still head down to the car show. We're going to get a lot of good footage, guys. And, hey, I just feel blessed that something was watching over me today, guys. So, the last 2 days. So, Hey, let's get out of here and let's get on the road to Pigeon Forge, guys. All right, so me and Larry made it down here to Pigeon Forge, guys. Right now we're going through Sevierville. So we finally got Blue Ash taken care of. Got her all fixed up. So I guess now it's time to come down here and look at some. We'll go check into the hotel and go and find us a parking space and walk around and look at some, see what type of cars are down here. Alright guys, so we just got down here, Pigeon Forge, and we're already guys starting flipping the car. We're gonna have us a good time here, man. I'm gonna walk around here in a few, but I think I'm just getting a little cars going up and down the strip, and we're gonna see what's going on, see what this is about, man. This is already a nice little rat rod right here. Got a little lower, we're smoking. Got a lot of our cigars and blacks here for the day.
Hey Chris. Pieon Roof.
Camaro, 7.
Try to save weight. Yeah. Myrtle bite, I can decide on the other side. Different. It's all supposed to be rain.
Full street yard. CT square body. 14 there. I don't know if they turned that into like a little rat rod or what. I mean, it's neat. Historical bootleg. Oh, I like that. Got that. Pretty neat there. They rusted last. Look at that there. Old blue. Y'all see I'm masked up. There's not a lot of people masked up, man. I don't know what's going on, but I'm masked up, especially if I get in somebody's face. Get that into here. Yeah, cars. Horses. Bronco. You making some noise, wasn't it? There's no telling what you're gonna see up in here. That's like go there. He got his hood off in this one.
What?
He got the little scuffed up paint job on this one here. There it is. 47 Ford. Forward back in here. And the gas over there. Hey, at least we're not gonna get no what is that, a Camaro SS? At least they won't get no copyright strike. What's underneath your hood? Well, it's a 5.3 in here, so that's good. Yeah, that's cool. That's awesome right there, man. He got everything clean, so I like that. You can get his bed. That's what I would do mine.
This is what I want. I've been trying to put it together.
Yeah, check it out, man.
Not for sale, not for trade. Don't run everything. Noted here, 39.
That's good. I like that thing. That's like a lime green and a sherbet color. That's cool. I like the ones that got the original overflow bottle. I mean, you know, it's crazy that they do think about this glass. Well, check me out. I tell you what, I like your ride though.
Thanks.
It's beautiful. Oh man, he even got the now this isn't the, is this the original price tag on this car?
Yeah.
That you could get. Ain't that something? Yeah, that's me.
What, man?
Thanks, man. Yeah, it's not every day you get to see everything original that the car came with, guys. So that's really cool, man. Everything's original there. I think, how much was that car for? $3,200.
Brand new.
$3,200, brand new, guys. CT, man. Soft spot for those CT. Wow. Check this out, guys. Yeah, Pico. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, I see that. See right there? We got the S1C right there. And then you got the Pico right here, guys. supercar. Hey, learn something every day, man. Learn something every day. Oh, sweet deal. Yeah,
That's a lot.
yeah.
That's high. It's supposed to be over 150.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Tissue.
How's it going, fellas?
Hey, good, man. How you doing? Doing great, man. If this is yours, you're doing great too.
We're proud of it.
Oh, I know you are, man. That's awesome. I want a cigar.
Well, dude, I'm a cigar guy too, man.
Hey, you see what I said? Hey, smoking with the got 'em, baby. And that means cars or cigars.
Yeah, that's cool.
I didn't have no meter.
Clean. Nice ride, man. Oh, we gonna pop the hood for it. Gonna pop the hood for
Let
it.
you look at it. How about
Alright,
that?
man. Pop the hood for it, man. Sweet, boy. Almost done. Oh, hey, you got the green belt? You guys know what the green belt means? He's pushing it. You got the green belt on there, baby. Heck yeah. You close to 1,000 or what?
8.
Sweet. Hey, thanks for letting me look at it, brother. It's nice. All these cars are nice, man. Pick and choose, buddy. Pick and choose. Hey guys, I'm gonna cut this video short today because there's just so much. I probably got about 6 hours worth of footage, but unfortunately, you know, I'm gonna have to break it down for about 10 minutes. There's just so many cars out here, guys, so we're gonna have to break this down. But I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I'll probably be having about 4 or 5 videos from this car event this whole weekend, guys. This is just our first day. This is our first day here, man, and we got so much more to see, so much more cars to see, guys. We got all kinds of stuff here to see, man. Whatever your flavor is, we got it. We got it, all right? So like I tell everybody, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.